Okay, we are recording.
All right. Oh, no. Hi, everyone. This is Kenn Renner here in Liberty Hill, Texas, and I'm at the corner of 29 and 183A, and we are standing in front of the brand new Costco that's going in. It's going to be finished in March of this year. We are so excited. A brand new, one of the largest Costco's in the entire area. It's a $63 million building, 160,000 square feet. It's going to be an amazing corner because you can imagine what kind of other shops and retail and restaurants are going to come behind the Costco. And the brand new Super Target, the largest Super Target in the world. It's got over 150,000 square feet, cost of $23 million. It's going to be a huge asset to our little town here of Liberty Hill. But hey, we're not little anymore. Yeah, totally. I'm here with Gabby Jacobs of Brohn Homes, and I'm also expert at Santa Rita Ranch, and that's where I live as a resident real estate expert. Love to talk to you about that. But Gabby, tell me more about what's going on here.
Oh my gosh, I'm just so excited to be able to be in Liberty Hill, to have a Costco, to have the world's largest Target. I don't know if it's a problem, but it's going to be amazing because of how close we are.
And then Home Depot's going in right across the street.
Home Depot's going right across the street. I heard a Walmart's coming.
Oh, Walmart's down the way about 5 minutes.
Yes, everything that's happening in Liberty Hill, the growth that's happening here is just phenomenal. It's really making this area the #1 sought after area.
And guess what? Chewy's is coming. And
yes.
So Chewy's come right down the road here.
What is it? The jalapeno ranch? I'm ready.
Yeah. And so we're going to have a home buying crash course here in Liberty Hill. It's going to be at Brohn Homes at Cascade, which is 5 minutes down the road here. Homes starting from the 250s. And so what I'm doing is this is my home buying crash course, home buying secrets book that I actually wrote it 15 years ago. And last year I made a goal to go ahead and revise it for new numbers and the new age here that we're in. And guess what? I finished it by the end of the year. We're so excited. We're going to give everybody that comes to the class a free copy of my home buying secrets book. We've helped thousands of people into their homes, and we like to help you too. So Gabby,
can't wait. Cannot wait to see you guys all there.
That's last Saturday of each month at Brohn Homes Cascade. We'll see you there. Homebuyingcrashcourse.com. Homebuyingcrashcourse.com. I'll see you there.